Rock Legion.
That boy is Benny Hanna.
Try to get drunk at the party, sipping on that Bacardi, getting butt nigga like Gotti. Shit funny. Blue faces on the toes, getting my dogs, he knows. Shit's crazy. Is you DTF or what? 'Cause I ain't with all the talking. Yo, mind anybody want it? So why you doing all this fussing? Got a taxi, come fuck me. Rock my body till the morning. Don't play no games, feel the wave. Drink this pussy like it's some water. Stop being insane, feel the wave. Body on body got me so hard now. Feel Novocaine on the brain, got you sticking out, oh my goodness. Back shots, got that pussy hurt. All in the guts, I'm doing her. Brown ass on that light skin. Pussy sweeter than icing. Go to town on my dick though. Gotta make it that deep though. Shorty got my toes curling. Like, oh my goodness. Got you going wild with your legs up in the air. Got my dick in your sticky with no underwear. Got you going wild, riding horsey pulling hair. Feel the wave moving slow when we fucking out. Is you DTF or what? 'Cause I ain't with all the talking. Yo, mind anybody want it? How you doing all this fussing?
I pull up in a rose, I'm hoping she can roll. Tryna get some head while the whip is in the ghost. Don't gotta speak, she know how it go. She better be DTF. When I get right, she get left. Ass on Trinidad, Dolly Parton breast. Chokes on the pussy like Andre and them. She takes not all over her chin. Swallows my kiss like it was some phlegm. Pussy on Pacific, thank God I can swim. She with me, but she ain't my bitch. Y'all niggas already know what it is. When she comes over, I hope her voice is broke. That pissed her off, I had to tell her that shit was just a joke. Tells me she loves me like all the time, looking at her like she's out of her mind. I'm at the point where I just wanna get mine. I just wanna get mine. No need for talking, I just want the coochie. Tear the shit up like it was some Lucy. Ass too fat, she better be a groupie. I want that tight shit, I don't like Lucy's. She ruin everything, I leave it up to her.
Starting to think my love life is cursed.
Beat the pussy, put it in a hearse.
Oh shit, I'ma let that bitch burn.
Alright, I'm hoping you learn your lesson.
All the fussing gonna earn you nothing.
I'ma just wait till you're done bugging.
After I really have to ask you something like,
Is you DTF or what? 'Cause I ain't with all the talking. And yo, mind anybody want it? And why you doing all this fussing? Is you DTF or what? 'Cause I ain't with all the talking. Yo, mind anybody.